Paulina Zamudio. I'm with the LA County Department of Public Health, and we use AI to take notes during our meeting, get summaries and the next steps.
Hi, I'm Malcolm Reed. I'm coming from Atlanta, Georgia, where I represent Thrive SS here at the conference. And my advice is using Copilot. Copilot is an AI tool that you can use. You can put it on as an app on your phone, and you can use it instead of Google. Treat it like a friend. You can really have a conversation. If you ask it a question, it'll give you a longer answer, and then you can say, yes, but what about this? And yes, but what about that? And you can continue to have a conversation until you're satisfied with the information you received. So start there, and then you can branch off into other AI tools.
My name is Drake Collins. I run the prevention program at Corktown Health in Detroit, and I use AI pretty extensively to generate formulas for Excel for working with data. It speeds things up a lot.
Hi, my name is Melissa Kigua. I'm coming in from Phoenix, and I would recommend using Fathom Note Taker. It automates onto your Zoom calls, so it's essentially like an assistant. It listens in, it will transcribe the call, it will give you a list of to-dos, and it will also highlight the major points when someone says something really important, and you can go back and listen to things or read things again.